Big story breaking in Afghanistan. Pakistan-backed Taliban have broken into the Kandahar prison. They've freed a number of Taliban terrorists locked in there. A number of political prisoners have also been released. And we are getting you images. We'll get you much more. Taliban have released a video of breaking into the Kandahar prison. For the past 1 month, Taliban have been trying to break into the Kandahar prison and free some of their fighters and terrorists and other political prisoners. This rapid pace of advance of Taliban in Afghanistan is a cause for grave concern. In fact, a US intelligence assessment is that President Ashraf Ghani's government may collapse much faster given the Taliban's rapid advance, much faster than earlier anticipated. There are reports that 30,000 families have fled their homes in Kandahar in the face of this fierce fighting in Kandahar. And 30,000 families are living in internally displaced persons camps. The Taliban are learned to have captured Faizabad, capital of the northeastern province in Badakhshan. Now, Faizabad is the 8th provincial capital to have fallen to Taliban in the past 7 days. Of course, Afghanistan's President Ashraf Ghani flew into Mazar-e-Sharif to boost the morale of government forces and warlords who are fighting against the Taliban. India, incidentally, has flown out our diplomats, officials and staffers from the consulate at Mazar-e-Sharif. I quickly want to cut across to India Today's Ashraf Wani, who joins us with the latest on this big story. Ashraf, when you were reporting from ground zero in Kandahar, Taliban was still trying to get to this Kandahar prison. Now we are reporting they've sadly succeeded.
Absolutely, Gaurav. And as you said, for last 1 month, Taliban was trying. It's hard to capture this prison, which is one of the important prisons of the Afghanistan and most important in the Kandahar, because most of the Taliban political prisoners as well as the fighters were jailed in the same jail. In the last month, when there was some encircling by the Taliban in Kandahar, most of the high-profile prisoners from this jail were shifted to the Kabul. But still, hundreds of prisoners of Taliban were jailed in this high-security jail in the outskirts of Kandahar. Last month, I visited and reported from the periphery and from the outside of this jail, which was highly being guarded by the Afghan forces. But today, what we are getting the reports from the Kandahar, as it has been confirmed by the Taliban spokesman whom I spoke in Kandahar, Qari Ahmadi. He said that today evening they have broken the Kandahar jail finally, and one wall of the jail was broken. 70 prisoners of Taliban have been got free from the jail. It clearly means that now Taliban is inside Kandahar city. Already the consulate of India and Iran were evacuated 1 month back from Kandahar. And if the Taliban succeeds in capturing the Kandahar, it will be one of the biggest successes for the Taliban in Afghanistan. And believe it, that if they are going to capture Kandahar, Afghanistan is not far away from Taliban then.
Oh, absolutely.
Because one of the leading airports.
Absolutely. Kabul is not far, and that is the big fear. That is the big fear. All the gains made to strengthen democracy, to bring in women's rights, all of that will be lost. 2 decades of hard work will be lost in case Taliban capture Kabul once again by force. And some assessment is it may happen sooner than later. Ashraf, for the moment, many thanks.